Hello guys, welcome from Panacea-Soft. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to copy one ad from FlutterX to your new project. So before that, we need to create a new project. Okay, we choose Flutter and then you need to get the name. Okay, I'm going to get my directory. Okay, and then I click finish. Okay, so I got a new project here. So firstly, I need to copy the directory project to my new project. So I need to copy all the files from FlutterX. So I go to FlutterX, and then I go to library, and then I go to app, and then I go to directory folder. Here, directory app1. So I copy all these files here, and then I'm going to paste enter library here. Going to paste, and then I click OK, and then I'm going to overwrite the main file. Then I'm going to add. Okay, after that I need to add the dependency. So I'm going to open the YAML file, and then I copy the dependency here. I open the YAML file here and I paste it to here. Okay, after I copy the dependency, I'm going to copy the images. So I need to copy for the icon for the directory. So here, so before that I need to copy the access here. And then you need to put here. Okay, and then I need to copy the image decoration here. So directory, so I'm going to copy all the images decoration, and then I paste it. Okay, after that I'm going to copy the file. So I copy file from here, and then I'm going to paste it to here. Okay, now I copy all the decoration. I need to copy the real file. So the real images are inside the SS folder. So here, right here. So I'm going to create a new package here. Okay, this one will be SS. Okay, inside the SS, there's two folder called file and images. So firstly, I'm going to copy the files to SF file. Okay. After that, I'm going to copy the images. Okay, new, well, images. Okay, and then I copy only the directory. Okay, so now all the images and all the files are ready. So I'm going to sync the packages. So I click package get. Okay, after that, we need to remove the FlutterX code. So you need to go from here, and then you will open the CD grid view. So you need to delete this line. Okay, after that, you need to delete this one, and you need to delete this one, because this is just only for the FlutterX school application. So for the SAP app, you don't need that. Okay, so look like ready, so I'm going to run this app. Okay, now it's run. So here we go. We got our app is running on the iOS. So if you click, it's working. That's the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.